Hi, my name is Gail Hodgson. I'm an artist and designer. Fluid acrylics as a main medium really inspired me, but it's got a bit of a backstory. So I loved dancing. I was totally into dance. I've danced everywhere, at festivals and any dancing opportunity I could get, especially to world music. I loved world music. So that sort of led into me and a group of gals starting a creative dance troupe, and we had a lot of fun doing that. And one of the things that sort of we did over and over again was we did this dance of the elements. So there was, air, fire, water, and earth. And I was always water. And also when there was, we did the dance of energy, and I was always fluid energy. I felt at home with moving that way. And also in my self-inquiry and taking, meditation classes, that kind of thing. I also loved that slowed down feeling that you get when you meditate. But I liked doing it with movement. A lot of times I would just even do as a practice on my own, I would just start moving very fluidly but really slowed down. So it really ignited something in me where I felt at home in that sort of, I don't know what you call it, mode, I guess. Later on, so I painted for years and years and did all kinds of, worked with materials and mediums and everything. And later on, when I saw a demonstration of pouring fluid acrylics, I was really inspired. I have to try that. And when I tried it, I felt like, oh wow, this is it. This is absolutely the best thing ever. I loved, again, even the concept that we're made of water, mostly of water. I wanted to play with that whole thing with my imagination and the fluid mediums to see what came out of it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today.